I've noticed in past events that people pick on two negatives that they might have noticed and they forget about the positives. So they discourage others from attending. Don't do that. Speak about the millions of positives there are. I promise you the Ummah at the moment needs gatherings where the identity of a Muslim is confirmed and is solidified and strengthened. And you feel a sense of belonging to an Ummah. We need that so desperately as an Ummah now, in this time in our history. And that's the reason why we actually arrange and organize events like this. When you come together and your identity as a Muslim, mashallah, you feel proud of it and you strengthen, or it is strengthened that you are a member of an Ummah. Do you know that at a time of weakness of the entire Ummah, getting together is one of the ways of strengthening yourselves. And this is why there is something in Islam known as al-Jumu'atu wal-Jama'atu. Jumu'ah is the Friday prayer, the Friday, the day, and the prayer as well. And Jama'ah means the gathering. We gather every day, 5 times a day for prayers, and it's recommended to gather. If you don't have an excuse, you should be. And on a Friday, you must come together. Come what may, you must come together. What's the purpose? Well, what I just mentioned now, there are so many purposes and so many reasons. One of them is the strength of the Ummah, the sense of belonging, the fact that you care for one another, you get to know one another, you see one another, and you pray for one another. May Allah Almighty strengthen all of us.